Ashton Hall is blowing up everywhere on social media, but there's one mistake he's making he definitely hasn't realized yet. He's mouth taping at night for better sleep, which is good. He's getting all the benefits like a sharper jawline, way better sleep, and a better facial structure. But he didn't pick a brand of mouth tape that's made of silk, so this can really irritate your skin over time. I started using this company Snore, and just look at my before and after. I've slept amazing, my jawline's way sharper. I have never felt this good. This brand is the best because the ingredients they use are high quality and aren't going to cause any issues. Plus, it's the only company I've found that come with 30 of these nose breathing strips for completely free. If you guys want to try out mouth taping for yourself, it's even on sale right now. I dropped the link below.